AMETEK MRO Drake Air is an industry-leading repair station specializing in the maintenance, repair, and overhaul of pre-coolers, oil coolers, and heat exchangers for all types of commercial, regional, general aviation, and rotor wing aircraft.
Operational excellence is one of the key paramount things that we focus on. The coordination from the time a part comes in the door, from the receiving to receiving inspection, it goes to the respective operations area. All these different departments are all interacting, and by the time that part hits here, we're quoting a job back to the customer, all within about 24 to 36 hours.
Being an MRO, you don't know what's coming in today, tomorrow, or the next day. It's what hits the back door, so you have to be able to shift resources where they're needed to be.
Our philosophy has always been repair versus replace. Our whole goal is to try to save the customer money while being able to maintain the highest level of quality that is out there.
Innovation has been a cornerstone to Drake Air's success, best reflected in our core replacement program called New Matrix. New Matrix has proven to provide customers the same performance, reliability, and service life of an OEM new unit for much less than the cost of a new part replacement.
We're adding new capabilities daily, new niches, the new things that keep us, ahead of our competition.
We have that flexibility and that ability to meet and exceed that customer's expectations.
We have the capabilities to bridge the gap between what the market's seeing, what we can do, but more importantly, what we can do in the future.